In this video, I'm just making sure that you feel comfortable with the way that you're weaving your strips in your slanted storage basket. Now you've clipped your strips and laid them out. You've woven in your second right-facing strip, the third right-facing strip, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth, and you've matched the top of the eighth right-facing strip with the first left-facing strip. Now that should overlap about a ½ inch at the top. It's also, when you weave in your ninth strip, there's going to be a triangle at the top. Just make sure it's going to lay like this initially, and then all you want to do is pull that little triangle out and clip those two together. Now this triangle is a lot bigger than the triangle at the bottom, which was only a ½ inch. That is so that we can trim that if necessary. We'll also tuck in the triangle at the bottom in a later step. So just keep weaving your strips in, and I'm going to show you how to weave one just in case you need a little reminder. Remember, in the pattern it says to pull the strip out from the bottom. Now these are not connected to your dining room table or your cutting mat or anything. They're loose, so they are going to move around a little bit. So pull the strip out from the bottom, weave it in by just lifting up the left-facing strips, or just laying the strip right over the top of some of the other left-facing strips. When you get to the top, you want to overlap and about ½ an inch, clip them, and then pull that little triangle up and clip that too. You may have to move the strips around. If you do, you can just tug on them like this to get them nice and straight. Scooch them down so that you have fairly straight strips. Now you're going to have the ability to straighten these out even more in a later step. So I hope that helps.